Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Baby Lynn Sabas, a resident of Concepcion, Victoria Oriental, Mindoro, Philippines. I'm 34 years old. I'm married, full-time mom. I have 3 kids, 15 years old boys, 10 years old, and 6 years old girls. I'm high school graduate last 2009 to 2010 from Aurelio Arago Memorial National High School here in Philippines. My work experience abroad last 2018 to 2020 from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. My work is housekeeping, cooking, clean the clothes, ironing, car washing, gardening, and take care of my newborn baby. My family members of my employer are 5, mom and sir, 3 children. And other work experience here in Philippines last 2020 to 2023, my work is housekeeping, cooking, car washing, clean the clothes, and take care of my newborn baby. My family members of my employer here in Philippines are 7, mom and sir, and 5 children. I know how to cook Arabic food. I know how to cook Filipino food. If ever I go to Hong Kong, I learn to cook a Chinese food. To all Hong Kong employer, please choose me because I'm hardworking, honesty, and responsibility in my duty, and take care of my newborn baby and children. Thank you. And God bless, mom and sir. Thank you.